Koko Zaria as a tall rich. Portable ma fi ogun oruka o ma fi bring it down. It's the case of David and Goliath. If they fit do am, kó pago fún wọn. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe kí wọ́n pe agbo fún Portable àti Koko Zaria kí ẹ rí pé I know what I'm saying.
Yeye Kudi mà ti kìlọ̀ fún Koko Zaria. Ó fohùn ìkìlọ̀ ránṣẹ́ fún Koko Zaria pé kí Koko Zaria ṣọ́ra ẹ̀ o. Wípé gbogbo èyí tó fi ń fi baby mama Portable tó fi ń spy ti Portable yìí pé kí ló dé tí ò dúró ti ìyàwó ẹ̀ gangan. Wípé ogun wà lọ́wọ́ Portable o. Portable ní wèrè lórí o. Portable crazy gan o. Tí kìí ṣe díẹ̀. Wípé àwọn kan wà. Ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fúnra yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Portable àti Koko Zaria. Ẹ ṣàmọ̀ pé Koko Zaria ni wọ́n rí tí ó ń ṣe falafolo pẹ̀lú ni wọ́n rí pẹ̀lú ìyàwó Portable. Tọ́rọ̀ náà sì di gbọ́nmi sí omi òtó tán ti ń fi ohun burúkú tí wọ́n fi ránṣẹ́ síra wọn lóríṣiríṣi. Yeye Kudi wá ní òun kàn sọ fún wọn ni òun kàn ní kóun bá wọn dá sí ni o. Pé kí wọ́n ṣọ́ra lọ́dọ̀ Portable. Pé èèyàn pé rẹ̀ ní wèrè olórin ẹ wá fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ tọ́ lọ́yàn ó ló máa serious gan. Ibi tọ́rọ̀ yìí máa já sí kò tí ì sẹ́ni tó lè predict ẹ o. Welcome to crossblog XTV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ já gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí Yeye Kudi sọ nípa Portable àti bó ṣe kìlọ̀ fún Koko Zaria tó fọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí MC Oluomo pé kí wọ́n kìlọ̀ fún Koko Zaria wípé kó jáwọ́ nínú gbogbo èyí tó fẹ́ máa bá Portable ṣe yìí. Ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
Personally, I'm not one of those that will support them Koko Zaria bullying younger generation. Nǹkan tí yàn bá jù lọ, wetin you big pass am. Spiting Portable and all this what we like call the shenanigans on the show everywhere. You understand? I know Portable is capable. Wallahi. You saw how he tackled Sam Larry now. Portable is capable. Wallahi. It's not like our son Mohbad of blessed memory, who was shy, who was intimidated by Sam Larry. You understand? Koko Zaria as a tall rich. Portable ma fi ogun oruka o ma fi bring it down. It's the case of David and Goliath. If they fit do am, kó pago fún wọn. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe kí wọ́n pe agbo fún Portable àti Koko Zaria kí ẹ rí pé I know what I'm saying. Portable is capable. Portable is capable. Ogun wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà yẹn. Wo Koko Zaria, I know you people all know Shodio, but they mirawo. Be easy. All those things you are doing to Portable, don't let him change it for you. Sam Larry to learn létí gan that has chubby body. I'm not coming to mediate between you people because you people more be testing pàdé ra yín tẹ́ bá ti mú kíní yín o. But I'm just advising you that you should go and stay with your wife Kudira. There's no need fighting Portable with his baby mama. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Portable with you. Portable man, bring it down. I'm not talking about bringing you down with punch. I'm talking about Onyogun. He didn't send me message. I come by in that senior. To see. And the winner so far, ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yo. The winner so far for now is still Portable. The only part that Portable is not making me happy now is that if it is true the baby mama said kò fọmọ lóúnjẹ, ìyẹn la wá bí amọ ole, and I can't Portable. I can't come and be putting my mouth in your matter. You can't come and be shouting and be disturbing us on the social media that we should warn Koko Zaria. Meanwhile, you are not giving the baby mama baby food money for allowance for baby. They said the last time they checked, you only gave money for photo shoot. Go and change. Don't come and be shouting on the social media if you are not doing that. Koko Zaria, it doesn't matter still, no. It doesn't matter still, no. Even if he's not giving this baby food allowance yet, maybe he's angry towards the wife, which is not good. Ṣé fẹ́ kí ebi pa ọmọ ni? Ìyẹn ìwọ Portable mò ń bá wí yẹn. Koko Zaria, you are not in the position. Go and take care of your own family. Go and take care of Kudi. Have you finished taking care of all your children? Eh? Have you finished taking care of all your children? Torí àbá yín dá sínsìn. You understand? We are just we are passing here. Kan kọjá lóṣòdì lání ká bá yín dá sí. It doesn't concern us. If Portable buy somebody now, gbogbo yín ó something una not here. See phenomenon.
Ọ̀rọ̀ Koko Zaria yìí àti Portable yìí lágbára o.
Koko Zaria lè di phenomenon. My daughter phenomenon, my mother phenomenon, I'm phenomenon. Ṣé Koko Zaria lè di phenomenon? What did our Omosango do? What did Portable do to phenomenon? Ó floor phenomenon. Ó gba bet yẹn ó gbé lọ sí Sango. Ṣé ká pàgọ́ fún yín ni? Should we call ring for you people? You people think phenomenon. Oh no phenomenon. You people didn't see it. Go to phenomenon. Kẹ́ lọ phenomenon pé kí ni ojú nǹkan tí what did the Portable fi ojú ẹ̀ hàn? Because when people are not telling you this, so MC Oluomo, you are seeing it now. Your boy, be your younger brother, be your kini area. Wọ́n ṣe ṣàkúṣàkú sí, wọ́n lọ ń tọ́jà, wọ́n lọ ń dènà dí, wọ́n lọ ń fẹnu kíìsì ìyàwó ex baby mama, àbí ex Portable. You are not talking now. Àti bá yín dá sí.
Òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Portable, Koko Zaria, ta ló máa win lórí kéèsì yìí? Ibi tọ́rọ̀ ń lọ, ṣe rò pé ìkan ní capacity. Lóòótọ́ Yeye Kudi ní Portable ní ipò wà capable, àmọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ ti gbọ́ ní inú fọ́nrán lẹ́nu Koko Zaria tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ àti Portable, ta ni ẹ rò wípé ó máa win ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ yìí? Kí lè ròyìn? Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.